Hello and welcome to my channel Coder Vlogs. My name is Safi. So in this video I am announcing that I am starting a course of Java for beginners. So let's start a video. So what is this course about? This course is for pure beginners who want to learn Java programming. So you need to have basic programming knowledge to join our Java course. What you will learn from this course, we will cover details about these topics with concepts and examples as much as possible. So number one is I will cover programming basics. Number two, I will cover data types, string, conditions, that is if statement and switch statement, loops, how to use for loop, while loop, and for each loop. And I will I will cover the concept of data structures, which is a complicated part of Java, but I will cover it. And then I will cover object oriented programming, uh, which is important to learn its concept, then implement them in a Java project. Then I will cover collection, what is collection in Java and how to implement and with example. And I will also teach you how to handle errors, error handlings, how to implement generics, how to implement a real-time system with the help of concurrency in Java, and Sqlite database and my SQL database, how to connect and how to do the CRUD operation, that is create, read, date and delete operation in database. Then I will teach you how to implement front end, that is user interface, that in Java it is graphical user interface, and for that we will use Java Swing and Java FX. If this course get good response from you guys, then I will cover more topics like Java networking and Java Spring. Java Spring is like Java web, it is for the website, so you can create website with the help of Java using Java Spring. Then let me explain about QA and review video. I will also do a QA and review video based on your feedback, in where I will collect your queries, then I will answer them in a video. Suppose you have any issues, like you said that I need something which has drop down menu, and the data is retrieved from a database and shown on the drop down menu. So how I can do that? So I will pick that query from you and I will create a video on it. So in this way you will get enough help and you will know that how to implement things, you will get ideas. So it will be good for your learning, and that can help you to implement different things uh, in a different scenario and use case. Okay, about the course response, if I get good response from you, then I will work long on this course and I will cover more topics. And for giving me a good response, you need to just like my video and comment anything to keep your interaction with my content, so it will motivate me, right? And if you have any query, you can use YouTube comment section. You can ask me directly on Instagram, so I will respond back quickly. So thanks a lot. So see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.